Home Assistant fans, listen up. If you want power, flexibility, and a pain-free upgrade path, run Home Assistant in Docker. Here's the quick hook. Docker gives me isolation. Docker gives me easy rollbacks. Docker gives me fast updates without breaking the rest of my smart home. Okay? What is Docker? Think of it like a lightweight box for apps. Home Assistant lives in its own container. My system stays clean, and updates are as simple as pulling a new image. Why I like it: 1. Isolation. If an add-on misbehaves, the container crashes, not my whole machine. 2. Easy updates and rollbacks. I pin a version in Docker Compose, test. If something's off, rollback in seconds. 3. Portability. Move from an old PC to a new nuke. Copy the Compose file and data folder. Start. Done. 4. Performance. Docker uses way less overhead than a full virtual machine. 5. Backups. Snapshot the config folder, version control it, and I'm never afraid to experiment. Setup snapshot, install Docker and Docker Compose. Create a Docker Compose YAML. Home Assistant image. Volumes for config. Network mode. Host. Restart always. Then compose up and I'm live at port 8123. Compare time, Docker vs bare metal. Bare metal is simple, but updates can get messy, and recovery is slow. Docker keeps things clean and reversible. Docker vs supervised or OS. Home Assistant OS supervised gives tight integration and add-on store, but it locks me into one box. Docker is more flexible across Linux, NAS, or mini PCS. I can still run add-ons as separate containers. Docker vs full VMS are great for hard isolation but heavy on resources. Docker starts fast, uses less RAM, and feels snappy on low-power hardware. Extras: I run Mosquito for MQT, Node-RED, Zigbee to MQTT, a reverse proxy like Traefik or Nginx. Tips: use env for secrets. Backup, config nightly. Pin image versions. Never expose ports directly. Go through a proxy with HTTPS. If you want a smart home that's reliable, portable, and easy to fix, host Home Assistant in Docker. Hit like, drop your stack in the comments, and I'll share mine.